Welcome to the Smart Fit. Today's saucy K.I.S.S recipe is lemon vinaigrette. For this recipe, we need Dijon mustard, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice and zest, garlic, and of course, salt and pepper. Start by freshly squeezing lemon juice, followed by zesting 1 whole lemon. Then finally mince 2 cloves of garlic, and then we can get mixing. Start with 1/4 cup of lemon juice, the zest of 1 whole lemon, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 cloves of garlic, and then the salt and pepper. Always use freshly ground black pepper, none of that powdered pre-packaged stuff. And then whisk away. Whisk, 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 whisk. Finally, we can pour out our extra virgin olive oil very slowly, and then we get to whisking around. All right, whisk. You like my little baby whisk? And then just check that out. Look at the flick of the wrist. Now let's package the goods. Put your bottle here.
No, here.
Where?
Here.
Now pour your sauce or the dressing down the funnel and into your fancy bottle. Seal your bottle to keep it fresh. Now you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 10 days, or you can put it right to work and jazz up those greens you got wilting in the fridge. But seriously, enjoy it. This sauce will brighten up any protein or vegetable. It was easy to make, and come on, look at that gloss. For more recipes, visit us at thesmartfit.org and follow us on Instagram. Show us some love, subscribe, and hit that like.